In today's video, I bring to you super easy and simple one yoga exercise to lose your belly fat in bed. This super easy and simple yoga exercise can be performed on a daily basis while laying in bed. So as soon as you wake up, you can do this very exercise. It's very effective. It helps to get rid of your central and your abdominal obesity. I know exactly how it feels when the first signs of weight gain start showing on your body, especially when you can't fit into your favorite dress, and one fine day when you just step up on the weighing scale and realize, oh my god, I've put on so much weight, how am I going to lose it? It seems like a Herculean task. But not anymore, because this very yoga exercise came in handy when I wanted to lose my belly fat and get into my favorite dress. So I'm here to teach you the exact same yoga exercise. But what happens when you just don't feel like getting out of bed? You feel so lazy and you just don't feel like exercising. Well, I'm sure my easy yoga exercise to do in bed daily is surely gonna come in handy, because this very exercise and this very yoga asana is going to help you lose your belly fat, and not just that, your overall strengthening of muscles, not just your abdominal muscles, but also your leg muscles, your chest muscles, and your arm muscles. So isn't it the perfect workout which you can do on a daily basis while laying in bed enjoying a lazy day? I'm sure it is. So what are we waiting for? Let me show you this very exciting, simple yoga exercise. But first, you need to keep in mind two simple things. First of all, the posture has to be maintained throughout the asana properly with the correct breathing technique, just the way I teach you. The second thing you need to keep in mind is that I'm actually doing this asana on the bed because I have a hard surface bed. But if you have a very soft or a cushiony bed, you might want to switch to the floor to do this very exercise. It won't make much difference, but definitely you will see an improvement. So I'm sure you're just as excited to follow along this very exercise just the way I teach you. What are we waiting for? Let's begin this super easy exercise. So coming back to the Shashank Bhujangasana, which we have to do after having sitting in this position, you have to make sure that your feet are absolutely straight and parallel to each other, but they are not overlapping. Often people make the mistake, as I can show you, they overlap their legs like this, which is absolutely wrong. It will only do you harm and no good. You have to sit with your legs absolutely next to each other in the same line, and that is when you will be mastering this very asana. So to begin this yoga pose, we are going to sit in Vajrasan, hands folded, take it all the way up, stretching your chest muscles and inhaling as much as you can, then going down while exhaling completely, stretching your fingers forward as much as you can, stretch your spine without lifting the lower part of your body. After having exhaled completely, now we are going to switch into the Bhujangasana from the Shashankasana. This targets your abdominal region and helps blast your belly fat. You have to look up while doing the Bhujangasana with your spine stretched, without bending your elbows, and inhaling completely. Now when we have to come into the Shashankasana again, we have to exhale completely and hold this position. Without moving any limb, you have to do this back and forth swinging movement very carefully. While you're performing this asana, you have to keep a very close attention on your breathing technique so that you are completely exhaling while you're going into Shashankasana and inhaling completely while you're doing the Bhujangasana. These things, when kept in mind, will enhance the benefits of this very asana to many folds. So now that you have learned the technique, let's do it together. So to do this asana together, again we're going to sit in the Vajrasan, stretch our arms all the way up and then take them down. While we are looking up, we have to inhale completely, stretching our chest muscles as much as we can to reap the maximum benefits of this very asana. The Shashank asana helps improve your digestion, relieves tension, also improves the blood flow. In Vajrasan, when your legs are locked, then all the pressure, all the blood flow is coming onto your stomach, which actually aids in digestion. And this is a beautiful asana for all those suffering from PCOD, thyroid and diabetes. People with high blood pressure should avoid this asana, and also people suffering from slip disc, any spine injury or hernia. We are going to hold it in each asana for good 5 to 10 seconds while we are performing it. You can even hold it up to 30 seconds. When you're doing the Bhujangasana, make sure that you have inhaled completely. And when you're doing the Shashank make sure that you have exhaled completely. So these are the little things which you have to keep in mind, which will help stretch and strengthen your chest, spine and your shoulder muscle, and definitely tone and tighten those abdominal muscles. The Cobra pose, which is the Bhujangasana, is also your best bet to lose your belly fat because it also increases your flexibility, therefore aiding in digestion. It is a very, very helpful asana which helps to strengthen and elongate the stomach muscles. Now, there aren't many asanas which we know of that actually help to elongate the stomach muscles. So this asana, as you know, is going to work wonders on your abdominal muscles and help strengthening and toning your abdominal muscle fat. So this was the asana I actually used to do on a daily basis in bed itself. It doesn't matter if you're having a lazy day, just do it and get it over with. It's a very, very easy and effective asana. So if you wish to take a break, you can for about 1 or 2 minutes, or if you wish, you can take it up to 30 counts, 50 counts, as much as you wish. Do not overstretch, overbend or overdo any asana. You have to listen to your body. You have to learn to read the signs which your body is giving you. And this asana will help you strengthen your mental ability. It will also help alleviate your anger and stress, and definitely help in stress management. Nowadays, we have such a busy lifestyle that we forget to look after our mental health. This very asana will have a very cooling and very calming effect on your brain cells. It's definitely very, very helpful if performed on a daily basis without any fail. So I will expect all of you to do this along with me every single day to alleviate your stress, your anger, and also your belly fat. Not just that, it's a full body workout to be done early in the morning on an empty stomach. So don't ever perform any of the yoga activities or exercises when just after eating a meal. Always keep a gap of at least 2 hours before you perform any asana. And trust me, you will see overall health benefits. Even people with medical issues will see a very, very beneficial result to their mind, body and soul. All will come in unison to work towards giving you your dream body. So I hope you enjoyed today's simple and easy yoga exercise to get rid of your belly fat laying in bed. Now I won't be taking any more excuses for you to have that belly fat. If you enjoyed today's videos, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.